In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the if function in Microsoft Excel. The if function is one of the most useful tools in Excel because it helps you make decisions right inside your spreadsheet. Think of it as a simple test. If a condition is true, Excel returns one result. If it's false, it returns a different result. This is great for grading, categorizing, flagging items, or calculating different outcomes based on thresholds. Go ahead and open Microsoft Excel and the worksheet you want to work with. You can follow along in any new or existing workbook. We'll type formulas directly into cells and press Enter to see the results. Here's the basic syntax you'll use. Equals if, open parenthesis, logical test, comma, value if true, comma, value if false, close parenthesis. The logical test is the question you're asking, like A150. The value if true is what you want to see when that test is met, and the value if false is what you want when it isn't. Remember, if you want text as a result, put it in quotes. Numbers and formulas don't need quotes. Let's start with a simple pass or fail example. If you have a score in A2, click an empty cell and type if 75, pass, fail. When you press Enter, Excel checks whether A2 is 75 or higher. If it is, you'll see pass. If not, you'll see fail. You can copy the formula down to evaluate more rows quickly. If you ever get an unexpected result, double-check that your scores are stored as numbers, not text. Next, let's calculate a bonus based on sales. If the sales amount is in D2, enter F D2 1000 D2 0 10 D2 0.05. If D2 is 10,000 or more, Excel calculates a 10% bonus. Otherwise, it calculates 5%. Format the result as currency if you want it to display like a dollar amount. Small tip: be careful with greater than or equal to versus just greater than, because that changes who qualifies. If you prefer a simple label instead of a number for that same scenario, use if D 1000, high bonus, low bonus. Notice the quotes around the words, high bonus and low bonus. That tells Excel to return text. Finally, let's look at multiple conditions using a nested if. Type if 2 to 90. Excellent. If A2 75. Good. Needs improvement. Excel checks the first condition. If it's not met, it moves to the next if. Make sure your conditions go from highest to lowest or most specific to more general. And count your parentheses so everything closes correctly. Try these examples in your sheet and you'll quickly see how flexible if can be. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.